What's going on YouTube? This is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews, and today I am changing out the antenna assembly on my 2011 Toyota 4Runner SR5. And as you can see here, the antenna is broken off inside this assembly, and it's just kind of jacked up. So I'm gonna fix this bad boy. On these vehicles, there is an antenna where the shark's fin is. So I'm not sure I need this, so I'm gonna kind of put a faux antenna here, take this assembly out, kind of clean this up a little bit. But the purpose of today's video is to show you how to get to the antenna and a few tips and tricks along the way. So first things first is you've got to take the screws out along your fender wheel well here. It's gonna be these bad boys. It's a Phillips head, or you can use a, what am I using here? This is a 10 millimeter socket wrench. So you'll have these strategically placed along here. You'll need to remove these. And if you want to take the entire cover off, you can do that, but I will say that's pretty difficult because there's these little rivets along the way. And these are the most difficult part about this project. I'd first of all recommend removing the tire, which I'm going to do. The second thing is getting these out is an absolute pain in the rear. Toyota made these very difficult to get out because they sit like this. So there's no way to kind of pry it out or pop it out because these two little grooves right here, these notches hold it in. So, I mean, you can grab it with a pair of pliers and pull it, but it's gonna rip part of it off like this. So it wasn't until I ripped this off, I discovered how to actually get these off pretty easily. So I'll show you. So when these are inside the wheel well, they're flat. So it's just like this. So what I did was I just pulled here and thought I'd just pull it out. Well, that didn't work. So what I ended up doing is I discovered that when I grabbed this with a pair of pliers under here, it actually pinched those notches in. I grabbed here and I pinched and it pushed them in. So what I did is I tried on the next one and it ended up just popping right out easy. So just pretend it's inside the wheel well. What I did was I wedged my needle nose pliers underneath and I pinched and it popped right out. When you pinch these two things, they just come right out. So I haven't seen any videos where people successfully just grab these and get them out. I've seen people where they stick things in here, try to wedge something in there, but the easiest thing, what I did is I just, again, wedged my needle nose pliers under, I pinched, and pulled right out, releasing it. So maybe that'll work for you. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this tire off and then I'm going to pull this back. So I'm not gonna take it entirely off because those little rivets are under each one of these. So if I wanna, it's just a pain, let me tell you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the tire off, I'm gonna pull this back as far as I can, and I'm just gonna get inside there, up under, and you'll be able to see the antenna assembly. Just take it out, and there you go. So I didn't really give any instructions on how to take that out under there, but maybe I'll do that in another video. This will be a task in itself, so maybe I'll post another one. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.